Nakikipagtawaran ng lolo mo. That's so uncomfortable. Tayong mga Pilipino, never tayong nagkaroon ng courage. I mean, hindi naman lahat. Pero normally, hindi tayo nakikipag-usap about sweldo because nakakahiya, di ba? And sa isip natin, hindi ka pa nga nag-uumpisa. Sweldo na agad ang gusto mong malaman. Dito sa freelancing, hindi ganon. Dapat maliwanag ang lahat. Dapat naka-specify sa kontrata kung magkano ang magiging bayad sa'yo per hour or per month or per project bago ka mag-umpisa magtrabaho. So ito, yung kahapon nung nag-interview kami, we agreed on 300 per week. So ang aking proposal actually is $400 per week. Pero hindi naman ako ganun ka-rigid when it comes to rates. As long as wag mo lang ako masyadong babaratin. So kahapon kami nag-interview, today naka-receive ako sa kanya ng message and tumatawad siya. So, instead of 300, pwede ba daw 200? Normally, hindi ko gusto yung mga ganitong clients. So, hindi naman tayo racist, pero napansin ko lang, kapag hindi puti, even Americans, kapag hindi puti, may mga ganito talagang senaryo. So, hindi ako nagulat, medyo in-expect ko na 'to. Especially dun sa flow of conversation namin kahapon, in-expect ko na. So ako, dahil sa in-expect ko na nga, meron na akong naka-prepare na sagot, which is I will be firm doon sa rate ko na 300 and I will politely decline unless pumayag siya dun sa rate na gusto ko. So, ito yung naging sagot ko. Thank you for your prompt response and for considering me for the Go High Level and Automation Expert position. I appreciate your understanding of my current rate, which is based on my extensive experience and skills in Go High Level and digital marketing. While I am committed to providing exceptional value to your team, I believe that $300 per week is a fair and competitive compensation given my qualification and the scope of my responsibilities involved in this role. I am confident in my ability to deliver exceptional results and contribute significantly to your business success. I am eager to start working with you and demonstrate my expertise in Go High Level, social media management, and digital marketing. Thank you for your time and consideration. Look forward to hearing from you. So, ang gusto kong mangyari sa sagot ko is firm, pero compelling pa rin. Para naman, malay mo, pumayag siya. But this is already a red flag with me. Kasi pag yung mga ganitong client na nakatingin sa price and not the value, medyo ayoko yung mga ganong type ng client. So let's see. Let's play it by ear. We'll see if he agrees, and perhaps I will start. Hindi naman to uh, a year contract. Kung halimbawa hindi ko nagustuhan, then I can end it the first month. I can just tell him that, this is not working for me, and then relay kung ano yung mga issues mo doon sa work. But hopefully, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully, this works out. So that's it, and see you again in the next video.